I'm going to show you now how the FullWidth featured page option works. As you can see here, I've got a featured page ID set with a number in it, and you can just have a look at the front page of the blog, and you can see this is my featured page right here. So what happens when I set this option? Well, if I just go back and have a look again, you'll see currently the featured page is just sitting above each blog post. So you can see these are my blog posts and this is my featured page. So if we zip back into the admin area and we click on this option, let's see what happens. Just wait for it to save and then have a look. So you can see that we've now got a FullWidth featured page sitting above both the blog posts and the ads in the sidebar.